Today we are going to learn about unitary method. So let's see what is unitary method. So finding out the value of a given units, we first find the value of one unit. This is called unitary method. So from the name itself, unitary. So unit means one. Let's see an example and understand this definition. Okay, if the cost of 16 pencils is rupees 144, find the cost of one pencil. Then second question is find the cost of 27 pencils. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So the cost of 16 pencils is 144. The cost of one pencil, let's find out the cost of one pencil because it's unitary method, so you find the cost of one pencil. Okay, so this side is pencils and this side is cost. We don't know the cost of one pencil, so x. So now just cross multiply. So 16 into x is equal to 1 into 144. So 16x is equal to 144. Take the 16 that side, so x is equal to 144 upon 16. 16 ones are 16 nines are. So x is equal to 9. This is rupees 9. Okay, so the cost of one pencil is rupees 9. Now let's see how to solve or find the cost of 27 pencils. So we know the cost of one pencil. So one pencil, okay, I write down one pencil. The cost is 9 rupees. So for 27 pencils, the cost will be x. We don't know right now. This is cost. Just multiply this. So x, so 1 into x is equal to 9 into 27. So let's do that. So once you find the cost of one, just multiply by whatever they have asked. Okay, 9 7 63 6 18 24. So the cost is 243 rupees. Okay, so the final answer will be the cost of 27 pencils will be rupees 243. So you find the cost of one pencil, okay, and then after that you find the cost of 27 pencil or 50 pencil. Just multiply whatever you get for one pencil. Okay, next question. Okay, if the cost of 15 bananas is rupees 48, find the cost of 35 bananas. From here you have two methods to solve. Okay, I'll show both the methods. Okay, first method is find the cost of one banana. So what they have given is 15 bananas. Okay, they cost rupees 48. Okay, I'll write 15, they cost 48. Let's find for one. So we don't know right now, so it's x. So just cross multiply. So it will be 15 into x is equal to 1 into 48, that is 48. 15x will be equal to 48. So x will be equal to 48 upon 15. This is nothing but the cost of one banana. Okay, this is the cost of one banana. We have to find the cost of 35 bananas. Okay, so cost of one banana is equal to 48 upon 15. We want to find for 35. We don't know right now. Just cross multiply. So it will be x is equal to 48 upon 15 into 35. Let's solve this. 5 3s are 5 7s are 3 1s are 3 1s is 3. It will become 18. 6 are. So let's multiply 16 into 7. 6 7 is 42. 4 7 1 is 7 and 4 is 11. So the answer is 112 rupees. Okay, so this is nothing but the cost of 35 bananas. So in this method, why this is known as unitary method? Because we first find the value of one, okay, over here, one banana, and then you just multiply with whatever they have asked. For example 35, so you multiply whatever amount comes for one. The second method is directly using the cross multiplication method. Okay, Now how to do that? Okay, 15 bananas, the cost is 48. Okay, 15, the cost is 48. Okay, find the cost of 35 bananas. So 35 we don't know, correct? Cost of 15 bananas is 48. We have to find the cost of 35. Let this be x. So now just cross multiply. 15x is equal to 48 into 35. X is equal to 48 into 35 upon 15. The same calculation that we did just now. Okay, 5 3s are 7s are 1s are 16s are, okay, 16 7s are, okay, 6 7 are 42, 4 112 is the answer. So x will be equal to rupees 112. This is nothing but the cost of 35 bananas. So this is the method number 2, that is cross multiplication. This is based on the formula product of extreme is equal to product of mean, because they are in proportion. That's why we can use this. Okay, this can be used because they are in direct proportion. Direct proportion is the one in which both the quantities increase at the same value. Let's solve one more question and understand how to use this unitary method. This question says find the cost of 11 pens is rupees 253. Find the cost of 1 pen as well as the cost of 24 pens. So let's write down what is given. So 11 pens, the cost is 253. Let's find the cost of 1 pen. We don't know right now. So just cross multiply. This will be 11 into x is equal to 1 into 253 is 253. So x will be equal to 253 upon 11. When you divide, you will get 23 as the answer. Okay, so this is nothing but the cost of 1 pen. So the cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 23. So once you get the cost of 1 pen, the second part is very simple. You just multiply it. So for 1 pen, the value is 23. So for 24 pens, what will be the value? Just multiply this. X is equal to 24 times 23. So just multiply 24 into 23. 4 3 is 12, 1 6 7 0 8 and 4. So 2 over here, 5 and 1. So the cost will be 552 rupees. So 24 pens will cost you rupees 552. Let's move on to the next question. In this also you could have used the cross multiplication method, okay, to find the quantity of 1 and then for the entire thing. Okay, if 8 kgs of rice cost rupees 620, okay, so 8 kg, so I'll write down over here kg and this is side is cost. It costs rupees 620. Okay, what will be the cost of 18 kg of rice? Okay, so we need to find for 18 kg. First find what's the cost of 1 kg of rice. So let's find the cost of 1 kg of rice. We don't know right now. We just cross multiply this. So 8x is equal to 620. So x is equal to 620 upon 8. Okay, it clearly mentions, see, 8 kg is 620 rupees. Let's find the cost of 1 kg and then let's find multiply by 18. So can we divide over here? Okay, let's divide by 4. 4 2s are 4 1s are is 4. Then this will be 22. 5s are is 20. This will be again 20. So 5s are. So right now we are getting the cost of 1 is 1 kg as 155 upon 2. Okay, so this is cost of 1 kg cost. Okay, now we need to find the cost of 18 kg. So just multiply. So for 1 kg the cost is 152. We don't have to divide, okay, this over here, because later we can easily cancel it out. We need to find for 18 kg. So we don't know right now what is 18 kg. So just cross multiply, that is x is equal to, this will be 18 into 155 by 2. 2 1s are 2 9s are. Now just multiply 155 by 9. 9 5s is 45. 9 5s is 45 and 4 49. 9 1s is 9 and this is 13. So the answer will be 1395, okay, rupees. So this is the cost of 18 kg. There's one more method, that is cross multiplication. That is the direct method, okay, without finding the cost of 1 kg. How we are supposed to do that? So 8 kg the cost is 620. Okay, for 18 kg we have to find, we don't know that, just cross multiply. So 8x is equal to 620 into 18. So x is equal to 620 into 18. 8 So 4 twos are 4 ones are is 4, this will be 5 and 5, 2 ones are 2 nines are, so 155 into 9. So let's multiply this. So 9 5 is 45, 5 and 4, 5 are 45 and 9 4, and this is 1. So the cost of 18 kg, okay, so the cost of 18 kg of rice will be equal to rupees 1395. So this is a direct method, okay, this cross multiplication method. But if they specifically ask in the exam to use the unitary method, please follow the previous method. Find the value of 1, and whatever answer you get, you just multiply with whatever they have asked. So next type of question, a similar type of question. So this I'll solve using unitary method, and then I'll tell you how to solve using cross multiplication also. So the weight of 63 books of the same size is 28 kg. Okay, so the weight of 63 books, so this side is books and on the other side it is weight. Okay, so in kg, 63 books, they weigh 28 kg. How many such books will weigh 60 kg? It's a different type of question. Weigh 60, how many books will be there in 60 kg? So let's find how many books are there in 1 kg first. Okay, we don't have to find the weight of one book, because at the end we have to see how many books are there in this weight, right? So whatever weight they have asked, you have to find one of that. So let's find this. We don't know right now, so just cross multiply. So 63 into 1 is 63 is equal to, this will be x into 28. So take this 28 that side, so it will be 63 divided by 28 is equal to x. The HCF of two numbers 63 and 28 is 7. So if you don't know how to find HCF, there is a video made how to find the HCF. There are many ways to find HCF. So HCF is just the number that's common in both of them, and it's the highest number. So this divided by 7, this will be 4 and this will be 9. So right now what we have got is 9 by 4. So that is nothing but what? The number of books in 1 kg. So in 1 kg there will be 9 by 4 books. Now it's very simple. We know the number of books in 1 kg, and we have to find for 60 kg. Simple. So 1 kg, the number of books are 9 by 4. How many will be there in 60 kg? We don't know that right now. Just cross multiply. That will be x, and this will be into, that x is equal to 60 into 9 by 4. 4 ones are 4 15s are, x is equal to 135. So what is this 135? These are nothing but notebooks. So the question is, how many books will be there in 60 kg? So in 60 kg you will have 135 notebooks. This is how we solve using unitary method, but there is one more method in which you can solve, that is the cross multiplication method. That is pretty simple. That is 63, the weight is 28. For 60, how many notebooks will be there? We don't know, just cross multiply. 63 into 60 upon 28 will be equal to x. You solve this question like 7 4s are 7, 9s are 4 1s are 4 15s are, what is remaining is 9 into 15, that is 135. That will be equal to x. So this is your answer, this is your notebooks. I hope this method was clear. Moving on to the next question, and this is a question for you all. If five apples cost rupees 60, what is the cost of one apple? So you need to find for one apple. Then you need to find the cost of 8 apples. Very simple. Find the value of one apple, cost of one apple. Just multiply with 8, you get your answer. Second question, 7 notebooks. The cost is 196. How much would 15 notebooks cost? So first find what is the cost of one notebook. So once you find the cost of one notebook, just multiply it with by 15. You get your answer. In the second one, you can directly use the cross multiplication method to find out the answer. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.